ಓಂ ಶ್ರೀ ಗಣೇಶಾಯ ನಮಃ ಶ್ರೀಮನ್ನಾರಾಯಣೀಯಂ ಓಂ ಶ್ರೀ ಕೃಷ್ಣಾಯ ಪರಬ್ರಹ್ಮಣೇ ನಮಃ ದಶಕಂ 84 ಶ್ಲೋಕ 4 ತದನು ಚ ಭಗವನ್ ನಿರೀಕ್ಷ್ಯ ಗೋಪಾನ್ ಅತಿಕುತುಕಾದುಪಗಮ್ಯ ಮಾನಯಿತ್ವಾ ಚಿರತರ ವಿರಹಾತುರಾಂಗರೇಖಾಃ ಪಶುಪವಧೂಃ ಸರಸಂ ತ್ವಮನ್ವಯಾಸೀಃ. Word by word meaning. Hey Bhagavan, O Lord, Tvam, thou, Tadanucha, thereafter, Gopan, Nirikshya, seeing the Gopas, Ati Kutukat, with great joy, Upagamya, going near, Manayitva, and honoring, Chiratara Virahatu Ranga Rekaha, Chiratara, very long, Viraha, separation, Atura, suffering, Angarekaha, thin bodies, who had become very thin because of the grief caused by long separation, Pashupavaduhu, the Gopikas, Sarasam, with joy, Anvayasihi, didst approach. Full meaning, O Lord, thereafter thou didst go to the Gopas with great joy and honor them, and didst joyfully approach the Gopikas who had become emaciated because of the grief caused by long separation from thee. Om Tat Sat.